how this free guide helped me develop great characters of color. At this point, everyone has heard me go on and on about how incredible this free character development map is, and more people have been claiming this guide for themselves. But as a fellow writer, I wanted to share with you how this guide helped me personally. Now, I don't normally share the details of the story I'm working on social media, but I felt that it was necessary to show you how amazing this quick yet powerful guide truly is. I used this map for a short character arc, for an investigation for one of the many mysteries in my story. And the focus of this map is Sierra, the lead investigator on the squad for this case. This character is a badass, highly efficient, successful, and powerful Black woman, governing all her choices with logic and reasoning. With this guide, I was able to create an interesting subplot for her, as she struggles with not being able to use her tried and true logic to solve this case. To get into the mind of the culprit, she needs to think more creatively, outside the box, which is something she's highly resistant to, because it goes against everything that she has ever learned since childhood. Her frustration with this not only stalls the investigation, but incites conflict with her friends and puts a strain on the squad. But her partner and best friend Gabrielle shows her that human emotion is so complex. Gabrielle reminds her that during her training, even Sierra struggled with making the logical choices as a captain because of her emotions. Gabrielle shows her that disregarding how emotions impact decisions, especially when it comes to something as stressful as committing a crime, would be a huge mistake. At the point of no return, Sierra has to finally let go of trying to find the logical answer and start thinking outside the box. And when the awakening is complete, Sierra thinks more creatively, finds the culprit, and learns a valuable lesson that will make her a better friend and captain. Now, I know this guide is short and sweet, but it is so powerful. I mean, I could have just not used it at all and focused solely on the investigation and the mystery, but I would have missed out on an incredible opportunity for my readers to connect with Sierra so much more, to learn her strengths, see her weaknesses, watch her work through them, and become even better for it. This is what representation is all about, seeing these characters as real people, flawed, yet amazing people with the potential to grow. As writers, we've all been inspired by incredible characters from our favorite stories. So if I missed out on this opportunity to show off all this amazing character development goodness in my own story, I would be kicking myself, and I'm sure you guys can relate. And the great thing about it is that this guide is already yours. All you have to do is claim it. So are you ready to level up your character development? Click the link in my bio to claim your free guide today.